Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix iPhone stock on Apple logo in simple and easy steps. Step 1. First restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Then quickly press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the power button until the Apple logo disappears and the phone restarts. This fix must temporary system freeze. Step 2. Charge your iPhone. Plug your iPhone into a charger. Leave it connected for at least 15 to 20 minutes. A low battery can cause startup issues. Step 3. Check storage issue. If your iPhone recently run out of storage, that may cause boot problems. After restarting, free up space, deleting unused apps or files. Step 4. Update iPhone using a computer. Connect your iPhone to a Mac or Windows PC, then open Finder on Mac or iTunes on Windows. Select your iPhone and choose Update. This reinstalls iOS without deleting your data. And that's how you can fix iPhone stock on Apple logo. And also follow the steps and your iPhone should boot up normally again. And that's it. I have liked this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.